The EMA50 really is right now at $0.001 in a kind of enormous manner. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar especially is truly in every way that really matters, solid in an unobtrusive way. SPEL United States dollar is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690 in an unobtrusive manner. Bears control SPEL's genuinely current cost activities, which essentially is genuinely critical. 01 November 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through explicitly spelled truly token cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time in every way that really matters, sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What especially is for the most part transient cost expectation for in a real sense SPEL token, explicitly is in a real sense SPEL a fundamentally wise interest in an unpretentious manner. SPEL sort of token help and opposition levels and so forth, kind of additional appearance how fundamentally SPEL pretty symbolic help and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the SPEL specialized investigation, in every way that really matters, let us certainly discuss the very current economic situations, which basically is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,274,991,402,849, exhibiting how SPEL United States dollar fundamentally is faced with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009690. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $38,247,734,149 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, showing that Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they especially thought. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in a truly significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours, showing how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,274,991,402,849. Exhibiting how SPEL United States dollar certainly is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690 in an extremely huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.84, following a value change of 1.12% within a similar time period in a very large manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP especially, is up by 4.76 and right now exchanging at 60 cents, exhibiting that XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, especially is up by 4.76 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so bears control SPEL's fundamentally current cost activities in an in every practical sense, significant way. These occasions explicitly show that the market most certainly is going in a descending heading for certainly present moment, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, an extremely broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part is very critical. SPEL pretty symbolic help and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they essentially thought. Support basically is a level at which purchasers truly become substantially more genuinely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.84, following a value change of 1.12% within a similar time period, which in a real sense is very huge. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which dealers especially become move genuinely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they for the most part thought. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of fundamentally spell in every practical sense: token, spell, sort of spell, pretty symbolic execution. The cost of for the most part spell, especially token, spell, essentially is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week, exhibiting how bears control spells fundamentally current cost activities, which truly is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while extremely all-out market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, showing how XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, especially is up by 4.76 and right now exchanging at 60 cents. Exhibiting that XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 4.76 and at present exchanging at 60 cents in an unobtrusive manner. There truly are practically 103,446,920,678 truly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, which explicitly shows that there really are practically 103,446,920,678 sort of are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, which essentially is genuinely huge. Spell in every practical sense, token value examination, basically spell cost investigation for 01 November 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time period, most certainly made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner. We use in every practical sense, relative strength INDEX RSI, moving normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA, to fundamentally break down the future development of the spell token. So one-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while truly complete market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, showing how XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, for the most part is up by 4.76 and right now exchanging at 60 cents, exhibiting that XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, especially is up by 4.76 and at present exchanging at 60 cents in a fundamentally significant manner. While spells Williams %R pointer in every practical sense is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign truly is conceivable at this reach, which generally shows that 01 November 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through especially spell really token cost examination